Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, December 25th. Some of you may recognize this place. We've done practices from here before. It's at my friend's parents' place in Connecticut, in Torrington, Connecticut. And sometimes we do nice canoeing here or kayaking. In fact, not canoeing, but anyway, on this lake. And now, even though it's kind of, I think it is like 50 degrees right now, but there is still ice on the lake a little bit. So cool. Anyway, without further ado, I just want to start. And today I'm gonna read another essay for you from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening, and then we're gonna do a short practice around it as always. The essay is called Miracle Thinking. Albert Einstein says there are two ways to live your life. One, as though nothing is a miracle. The other, as though everything is a miracle. There is no end to worry because there is no end to what exists out of view, beyond our very small eyes. So worry is a way to gamble with what might or might not happen. It reminds me of a friend who had a flat tire on a country road. After finding he had no jack, he began walking, hoping to find a nearby farmer who would help him. It was getting dark and the crickets were getting louder. As he walked the overgrown road, he began to throw the dice of worry in his mind. What if the farmer is not home? What if he is and won't let me use the jack? What if he won't let me use his phone? What if he's frightened of me? I never did anything to him. Why won't he just let me use the phone? By the time he knocked on the farmer's door, my friend was so preoccupied with what could go wrong that when the friendly old farmer answered the door, my friend bellowed, "Well, you can keep your goddamn jack for yourself." Being human, we struggle constantly to stay with the miracle of what is and not to fall constantly in the black hole of what is not. This is an ancient challenge. As the Sufi poet Halib said centuries ago, every particle of creation sings its own song of what is and what is not. Hearing what is can make you wise. Hearing what is not can drive you mad. I love this. Hearing what is can make you wise. Hearing what is not can drive you mad. So now let's do a short practice around this reflection. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your mind, into your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Just notice how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to your breath. Easily breathing in and out, in and out. As you do this, see if you can find a sense of spaciousness in your breathing so that all the experiences of the present moment, your physical sensations, emotions, thoughts, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now pick a situation that is currently making you worry. Continue breathing slowly, naturally, easily. And as you inhale, focus on accepting what is. Not what you think of the situation, not what might happen or might not happen, but what actually is happening, really. Try to let in both the gifts and hardships of the reality that you are in. Easy, no struggle, just seeing things for what they are. Breathing evenly with ease. Focus on releasing what is not with each exhale. Try to let go of all the imagined outcomes that are not yet real. How many are there right now in your head concerning the situation? And as with each exhale, as you let those imagined outcomes go, notice how you start feeling in your body. And of course, it can go either way. Maybe you start feeling safer, lighter, more calm, or maybe it will be a completely different experience. Maybe you will feel even more anxious, kind of ungrounded, because this is not something you're familiar with. Letting go of the imagined outcomes that are not yet real, and just seeing everything for what it really is. Continue breathing in and out with ease, rhythmically, and settle into the miracle of what is. Remember, every particle of creation sings its own song of what is and what is not. Hearing what is can make you wise. Hearing what is not can drive you mad. And now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for doing this exercise today, for going through this reflection, for trying something that may not be familiar to you yet. And as always, with gratitude to yourself, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as usual, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to remember the words of Albert Einstein. There is only two ways to live life. One as if nothing is a miracle, the other as if everything is. And also those beautiful words of the Sufi poet Khalib. Every particle of creation sings its song of what is and what is not. Hearing what is can make you wise. Hearing what's not can drive you mad. And reflect on this some more. How can you focus more on the miracle of what is? And how can you start letting go of all the imagined outcomes that are not yet real but make you worry? Enjoy your discoveries as always. To those of you who celebrate, Merry Christmas. To everybody, have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.